Hi guys, it's Irina. Welcome. This is the channel where you can find tons of different useful and effective recipes for your skincare and beauty. And each week there is a new video I'm uploading, so do make sure to subscribe and say hello in the comments. In this video today, I am sharing with you the recipe for the pre-shaving oil. It's the pre-shaving oil that work great for men and women, and it's great because your skin will be feeling silky smooth. It's a wonderful preparation for the shaving, so you have the better and the closest shaving, right? Feel comfortable afterwards, and also it helps to prevent the ingrown hair. In here, I'm going to mix everything in the cup like this. This is not glass because I'm going to take it into the shower with me, and I always try to stay extra careful because oil is slippery. So this is just what I'm doing, and the recipe I'm going to give you would be just to give it a try. You could triple the recipe, of course, if you really like it. The first oil of my choice today would be the Grapeseed Carrier Oil, and I will add it in the amount of 1 tablespoon. Grapeseed oil is my first oil, and as you see, almond oil over there is the second. But, it's not really that I recommend these oils only. These are just the oils of my choice because they help to they penetrate the skin easily. They don't, leave a greasy feeling afterwards. They don't have a really overwhelming smell or aroma, you could say. So you could enjoy the essential oils better, I would say. So if you have the other oils, the carrier oils of your favorite, you could go ahead and use them. And another tablespoon I would add, another tablespoon of this sweet almond carrier oil. So real simple like that. It's very simple to just throw all the ingredients in there just before you're going to shave. And now, as always, let's proceed with the essential oils. So, the first oil I'm going to use would be Bergamot Essential Oil. We'll need to add the 10 drops of it. It's really one of my favorite oils out there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, the next oil I'm going to use would be tea tree. Remember I mentioned that this would help with ingrown hair. Tea tree is the main reason actually this would work, and we shall need 6 drops of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is okay. Besides, if you do suffer from ingrown hair, you can check the video where I give valuable tips and suggestions that might really help. The next oil we're going to use would be 4 drops of frankincense here, but in case you don't have frankincense on hand, chamomile would work great too, and we'll need it in the amount of 4 drops. 3 and 4, and we have 1 oil to go. Stay with me. This would be the vetiver essential oil. Vetiver essential oil is a thick oil. We'll need only 2 drops. It's also great. It's a great oil to fight inflammation, if you have acne or blemished skin. It will take me a while here because, as I said, it's a thick oil, see? And we're doing great, actually. 1, just 1 more, and we did it. So, this is it. You can just give it a mix like that. No big deal. All the oils are perfectly blended. You just cover it up and you rush to try this recipe out. See, it's a little bit because I just made it a little bit for you to try, so you don't have to waste the oils. And if you just somehow feel that it's not your thing, this happens with DIY recipes because we are unique people. Everyone's skin is different. But I find this recipe amazing. My skin feels so good, and it's already moisturized once I'm out of the shower. So guys, I hope you like it. I hope you will try this recipe. If you have any questions, do let me know. I wish you to stay happy and healthy, beautiful, love yourself every single day. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.